Imagine owning a slice of land, a place to escape when life gets chaotic, but also a property that earns you money when you're not there. Sounds like a dream, right? What if I told you that owning land doesn't have to cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars? With some creativity and a bit of financing, you can own land, turn it into a moneymaker, and even have others help pay for it. Today, we'll explore 7 low-risk ways to cash flow from a piece of land. Whether you're eyeing farmland, hunting grounds, or even cabins, I'll walk you through ideas that can work for anyone. These aren't just theoretical. I've done some of this myself, and I'll share real examples and numbers along the way. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Hunting leases. Hunting leases allow others to use your land for activities like deer or duck hunting. It's a passive income source with minimal effort. Here's how the numbers break down. Lease rates, around $10 per acre annually in Oklahoma, but premium locations with amenities or multiple game types can charge significantly more, up to $300 per acre. Real example, a 320-acre property in Woodward County generates $4,200 a year with just 4 hunters. You can also offer day leases for higher rates, though it requires more management. Amenities like water supplies or lodging can significantly boost your lease price. 2. Egg farming. Egg prices have surged, making small-scale egg farming a lucrative venture. Here's a breakdown. Startup costs: 500 hens, $2,500 to $7,500. Co-op and equipment, around $20,000. Feed, $500 to $1,000 per month. Potential revenue, 125,000 eggs annually from 500 hens, with sales of $20,000 a year at $2 per dozen. Sell your eggs at farmers markets for higher prices or outsource operations to a local farmer. 3. Equipment storage and rentals. Unused land can become a storage facility for agricultural machinery or other equipment. Storage revenue, $50 to $200 per piece of equipment monthly. Example, 50 pieces at $100 each equals $5,000 per month or $60,000 annually. Equipment rentals, offering rentals instead of just storage, can net $500 to $2,000 per day, depending on the machinery and demand. This idea works best near farming communities or construction hubs. 4. Goat farming. Goats are versatile and profitable. They're raised for milk, meat, land clearing, or even niche activities like goat yoga. Initial costs: 15 goats plus setup, around $15,000. Annual expenses: $13,500 for feed and care. Revenue streams: goat milk, cheese, soap, and wool. Potential profit: $15,000 to $20,000 annually from milk sales, soaps, and other products. Bonus idea: rent goats for land clearing, a unique, eco-friendly service. 5. Orchards. Fruit orchards are long-term investments. Oklahoma, for instance, is known for its peaches. Startup costs: 500 saplings, $5,000 to $10,000. Equipment and irrigation, around $20,000. Potential revenue, $60,000 annually once established. My friend Isaac turned a barren land into a thriving orchard, proving that with some initial effort, this is a fantastic long-term asset. 6. Barn dominiums and event venues. A barn dominium, a barn converted into a living or event space, can be a huge moneymaker. Venue revenue, $3,000 to $8,000 per wedding in Oklahoma. 20 to 30 weddings annually could generate $100,000 to $150,000 in revenue. Use your space for additional events like bridal showers or corporate retreats for even more income. 7. Vacation rentals. Build small cabins or tiny homes on your land and turn it into a vacation rental destination. Automation makes this business manageable. Automation tools, smart locks, noise sensors, and automated check-in systems. Management costs, around $25,000 annually for cleaning and maintenance. Potential revenue, several $100,000 a year, depending on the number of cabins. This idea combines passive income with scalable growth potential. These 7 ideas show that land ownership isn't just about holding property, it's about creating opportunities and building a legacy. Whether you're into farming, hunting, or creating unique venues, there's something here for everyone. Which of these ideas inspires you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, hit subscribe because there's so much more coming your way. See you in the next video.